my dear, this is the machine. So your machine will reach your home place like this. So you need some tools to open it. These tools won't come as part of the machine. You need them. You get them from that side. Like these are spanners, then a pair of tongs and a hammer. So a hammer will be used to remove the top of the machine box, as in to remove, to crack off this thing. So for me, I have to do it gently because after showing you this video, I have to repack your machine back into this same box, preparing it for delivery to Bamako. Yeah, we are going to use DHL. So upon opening your machine, these are the things you are going to observe inside your machine. So it will come with a scraper, one scraper. The color is yellow. It will come with a Kisa Projects business card. This is the business card. Then a Kisa Projects brochure that includes all our training lists. And these rubber bands. So these are the things that are going to come inside your machine upon unmolding your machine. I'll unbox. This is how you unbox your machine. You untie this one like this. You can use a pair of tongs because they may happen to be so hard for you. So for me, I'll keep this one since I have to box it back for you to repack it. So even this one, use a pair of tongs. So these are two loads. These are two loads onto which your unmolding tray would sit. We saw these ones. These are stands. This is one stand with a locker on it. Now, this is the base, or this is the machine itself. Now, also the machine is tightly here. There is a point here where it is tightly. So still you use a pair of tongs. It is hard, but that is for the safe transportation of the machine. The one that is touching the base of the machine. Move it like that. So definitely we need someone to help you because the machine is very heavy, to help you carry the machine from the box. There's another stand here. As I've said, the machine is very heavy. You need someone to help you carry the machine from the box. So this is the machine. It's very heavy. So after unboxing the machine, you lay it down like that. Then you get your two stands. This is one stand, this is another stand. Now look for the stand with a locking point. Now this is the side with two locking points. And this is my stand with the locking point. So I tilt this like this. And after tilting it, I see my stand. These are my stands. When I face this one like this locking point can be entering into the other locking angle. So this is the right way of me assembling my machine. So you get these nuts, you loosen them up, or you remove them like this. Also remove this nut. So you pass this one at the bottom of this tilting board, then you tighten the nuts. You tighten that nut. The same thing here. You tighten the nut. You use a spander. Use a spander to make them so tightened. I will not make them so tightened because I'm not assembling it for use, but I'm just giving you a demonstration on how you assemble your machine. So I'll fairly tighten them. So the same thing this side. Now this side you have to follow the same direction. If the longer part is this side, still here the longer part should be that side, not you assembling it like this. This one will be long for your machine. So you have to assemble it like this. Remove these nuts. Each nut has a washer on it. This is a nut, this is a washer. So a washer at the bottom, then the nut at the top. So the same thing here. This is a nut with the washer. So I'm looking for another nut that crosses. I was looking for this. Yeah, it's also an advantage of us unboxing and reassembling your machine so that you don't get some parts missing in your machine. So this one still, I pass this nut with the washer from the bottom. Then I lock it like this. First of all, you lock with your bare hands. And after, you use a spander to tighten it. Tie these nuts. I will not tightly tie them because I'm just giving you a demonstration. But for your case, upon this machine reaching your destination, you tighten them. So you unlock this like this. Even this one, you tilt it down like that. You get someone to help you, but for me, I have my energy. I can do it myself. I lift this board up, still up. I move the locking angle, then I put it back. Now this is how your machine will be. Then I move this locking angle, I tilt it like this, then I lock it. Now this is what you have bought, a machine of 800 cavities. Maybe to give you a clear look, let me turn it like this. It's a heavy machine. Then another thing, you get these two loads. You put them here, one here. It goes up to this side, enters here. Another one here, it goes up to this side, it enters here. Then you manufacture your own tray, unmolding tray. Then you put it at the bottom there. So this is how your machine will look like after you packing it. So this is the machine. It comes with a scraper. After feeding in your chalk slurry, then you scrap with the scraper. After scrapping, you unmold. You remove this locking point like this. You tilt the machine upside down. Make sure I don't touch into this space. If you touch this space, this thing will keep on moving down and up. So it will end up biting your hands. So you touch here, not in the space. You touch here, you tilt it. Or you can touch here. I move the locking point. Yeah, I lock it. So you see, if at all I had some pieces of chalk inside, when I get this bar and this bar, and molds. When this one goes down, the chalk falls down on the surface or on your unmolding tray. So this is the machine we are sending to you. Thank you for supporting Kisa Projects. This line, the side lines, all these side lines are not cavities. So on your first batch, you have to cover them up with plaster of Paris. So only the in-between cavities are the cavities, and there are 800 cavities.